Hello, I've got our Nerve Shield formula with me today, and this is specifically for the peripheral nervous system. Hi, I'm Dan Chapman. I'm the founder of Red Remedies, and Nerve Shield is designed specifically for the peripheral nervous system. So what is that specifically? We essentially have two nervous systems. We have the central nervous system, which is your brain and your spinal cord, and then we have the peripheral nervous system, which is everything outside of that. Nerve Shield is designed for the peripheral nervous system specifically. So if your nerve issue stems from the central nervous system, this formula is not for you. And I realize that nerves are difficult. There are so many different variables that can go into a nerve problem. So many different potential causes for damage, including vitamin deficiencies and injuries and surgeries and even drug-induced different types of nerve damage. Side effects from different drugs. Circulation can cause these problems. Structural issues in our body as well, like we might have a bulged disc or carpal tunnel that crowds or cramps a nerve that's causing some issues for you. We might even have problems where our body tends to fight itself, like in the case of some autoimmune diseases. So there's a lot going in the body, a lot of different variables, and the nerves are tough. And I fully understand that it can be very, very frustrating, especially when you're in pain, when it hurts. I know that this can be exhausting, and I know that you have to spend a lot of time to learn what's going on in your body, to understand it, and try to find a solution. And I also recognize that if we go to the doctor, what they're going to do for us is give us pain medication and then stronger pain medication. And when that doesn't work, they'll actually give some anxiety medication, which kind of alters our perception to that pain. And so there's not a lot of hope and possibilities for what a bright future can be when we're struggling with nerve issues. So I fully understand the problems here. I want to make sure that you understand what Nerve Shield is and what it does in the body. There are two very specific things that Nerve Shield is doing for you. One is working on circulation, and the second is giving nutrients to help work on those nerves specifically. Now, if we talk about the circulation piece first, this is so important. If we don't have good circulation going to your peripheral nerves, it doesn't matter what nutrients you take in the body, we can't get them where they need to be. So we have to restore healthy circulation first if we have any chance of making an impact on the health of your nerves. And we're doing that through two very unique herbs. They're actually pronounced as huangbai and kongzu. I know kind of odd pronunciations for herbs, but that combination is known as two marbles powder. It's been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine, and it is a powerful combination to help restore circulation to your peripheral nervous system. Two very important things happen to your body when we restore circulation. One, as I started to say, now we can start to get nutrients where we need them. Now those nerves have the food, if you will, that they need to be healthy and strong and structured properly. But another important thing happens when we restore circulation. We actually have the ability to reduce inflammation and the pain that you're experiencing quickly. That is why many people that use Nerve Shield will start to feel results within a couple of weeks. I will tell you, you cannot have an impact on the nerves themselves that quickly. Most likely you won't notice the nerve part, but you will experience some benefits by reducing that pain. And that comes simply by restoring circulation. It's an important piece, very, very important that we start there. The second thing that we're doing with Nerve Shield is we give all of the nutrients necessary to have healthy structure with our myelin and that nerve fiber. Those are the components of these nerves. So if we look at our nerves, they're a lot like electrical wires that are going up to the lights in your house. The copper in the center of that is just like our nerve fiber, and it's surrounded by a plastic coating, right? That plastic coating is just like our myelin. The myelin is a fatty structure, and it is designed to protect that nerve fiber. And we can give the nutrients necessary to make sure that that structure, both nerve fiber and myelin, are healthy and strong. That takes time. It's not a fast process. So you have to be a bit patient with it, which leads me to say, how long does it take for Nerve Shield to work? I tell everybody with Nerve Shield, commit to 90 days. Now, most people are going to feel results in that very first month. I talked about it just moments ago with the circulatory piece, where if you're feeling higher levels of pain related to the nerve issues that you're experiencing, it's very likely that we can make a dramatic improvement in the pain that you're experiencing, sometimes in a week or a couple of weeks. So most of you are going to start to feel this formula work even in that very first month. But don't stop there. And if you don't experience that, don't give up yet. We encourage everybody to commit to a minimum of 90 days. And we do that because for some of you, there are a lot of blockages of circulation going on in your body. Maybe you've had an injury, maybe you've had a surgery, and there's something structural going on, or a lot of scar tissue, and it's taking some time to work through that circulatory blockage. We have to push through that in order to get the nutrients to your nerves to make a difference. So be patient here. We have found that if you are patient enough, and that patience is only about 90 days or so, that everybody will start to experience the results of this. So the dosing on Nerve Shield is 2 tablets a day, best taken in a divided dose. So 1 tablet in the morning, 1 more in the afternoon. Make sure that you get both of those tablets in. It's very important that you don't forget that second dose. We need to have 2 tablets in every single day. And remember, with Nerve Shield, be patient. Don't give up if you're one that doesn't feel it in that first 30 days. Commit to the full 90 days and you're going to experience the results that we have found with so many of our customers. This is a formula that we've had in the Red Remedies lineup for about 12 years now. It's a formula that works. Stick with it. You're going to feel better. We know that you will. And we're so confident that you will. We have a 90-day money-back guarantee on this formula. That's longer than any other product in our whole lineup because we want you to be able to commit without risk, without worry, to that full 90 days on Nerve Shield. Give it a try. It's going to work for you.